The Motif Pregnancy Support Band is an FDA-listed medical device, meaning it has been researched and developed for the treatment and prevention of pregnancy-related pain and discomfort. It was designed by medical professionals for women who want to stay active, comfortable, and supported during pregnancy. The band works by redistributing weight and relieving pregnancy-related pressure from the abdomen, hips, and lower back to reinforce the body's core. It is also built to grow with pregnancy. One-size band will grow with you as your pregnancy matures. Motif's band is discreet and made to seamlessly blend under clothing or comfortably over clothing. And with a soft, breathable fabric, the pregnancy support band is easy to clean. Just simply throw it in the wash between wears. How to wear the Motif Pregnancy Support Band. First, make sure the straps are positioned in the back and the Velcro is attached in the front. Secure the front of the band like a cradle, typically below your belly button. Choose your desired support, compression, and fit by simply adjusting the side tension straps. That's it. You're now ready to wear the band underneath your clothing or over your clothing. For more information on Motif Maternity Compression, please visit motifmedical.com/maternity-compression.